Ellie, shut up.
Okay.
I'm singing a song, you should.
Hi, viewers. So now we're gonna
Hey,
be
viewers,
playing.
love y'all.
We're gonna be playing Chapter 2 of Mimic.
Me Mark.
And oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that Caitlyn.
How dare you forget about me?
Caitlin's gonna be playing with us as well. Caitlin's one of our friends.
Excuse me.
Daddy.
Amelia.
Caitlyn, just roll with it, okay?
Fine.
Hey, steelhead.
We are playing Mimic.
Ellie, shut up.
Okay, you guys need to calm down. Ooh, it's a pretty waterfall. Is someone trying to... Are you trying to jump it? Alright. Hi guys. Okay, you guys ready to play Mimic? Okay, join my lobby.
Suffocation. No breathing. Don't give a beep if someone bleeding.
Alright, you guys start joining.
This was my favorite chapter. Haha, Ellie, I joined before you.
Well,
Mimic.
well, no, I'm not playing.
Now we're playing Mimic. Pardon, Ellie? No.
Oh my gosh, Ellie.
No, she's not going to be joining us.
Aw.
I hate Savannah on and off.
Bri, shut up.
Okay.
Somebody feels like we napped for. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a street. Somebody come get her. She's stealing all the liquor.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Ellie?
Yeah?
Is anybody there? Question mark.
Bro, I
Friend.
can't read that like Japanese.
I probably could have read that if it wasn't going so fast. No, because I'm objective. Search for the key upstairs.
It's too already.
Somebody come get her. She's stealing liquor. Feels like a man.
The thing that annoys me about the mountain is how she can go upstairs. It's so annoying.
Caitlin, where are you?
Found the key. I have no choice but to head back downstairs for the door.
Oh no, Cleo!
I hate her.
Conversation!
She likes to see me fail, doesn't she?
Yeah. Who is this mate?
I don't know.
Caitlin, walk into the fire.
Savannah or not?
Fine. Fine.
Guys, don't go downstairs. Alert, don't go downstairs.
Bro, you can't. I'm too tall. I can't.
Savannah.
Is he down there?
No, Caitlin. We just watched her walk down the stairs, but she isn't downstairs.
I found the ball. Yes, I'm gonna do the ball. You guys like. What is
Perhaps this lever could
it? No,
open something. What lever? Where is the lever?
Savannah Unana.
Oh, there we go. It won't happen again. I promise. It won't. I won't do it again. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Do it again. Me. Oh, hi, Ellie.
Hey, Poke.
Okay, guys, let's start going
Why is my
upstairs.
screen?
Because he's right in front of us.
Ellie, shut up. I'm not even chasing you.
Guys,
Up there, you can't talk.
holy crap and moly. Ellie, kind words, love and kindness, please.
Yeah.
She's chasing me.
Yeah.
She loves you.
This is so racist.
Yeah.
I'm joking. Did the door open upstairs?
Yeah.
They sent Japanese gardens were the pleasure gardens of the Empress of Nobles. Guys, I'm outside.
Ellie, the door's open now.
What? I don't even know where the door is.
Just leave it out. Okay.
Okay.
Ellie, hurry up.
Somebody come to the floor.
Is your bestie the wall, Amelia?
Pardon?
Is your bestie the wall, Amelia?
The wall?
Yeah, because when you're walking, that's
Guys,
what
isn't this
turns
the
to
one with the
wall.
hospital?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate the hospital.
Bro, why is there breathing so loud?
Somebody come here. Savannah or Nana?
Hey, besties. Alright.
Hmm.
Through the door. Here we go.
By the way, guys, I just wanted to let you know that Kate.
That
Oh, why?
that Caitlyn's what?
Fairy.
That's not going in the video. Remember what I said, Ellie?
Fairy.
We can't call Caitlyn that.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, how about we just stop insulting each other?
At least I don't jump everywhere and jump. Yeah, just jump in general, like just running, jumping, to be an actual dog.
Is he changing?
Why does this always happen?
Ellie, you shut the door on me, I swear.
You know, like I love Caitlyn. You know, like I'm actually being for real, but like the reason why we fight is because it's really fun.
Yeah, they're only joking, viewers. Just so you
We're not-
know.
Like no, I'm being for real. Like me and Caitlyn, we joke. Well, I don't know about, but I joke. Like I love you, Caitlyn, but not those boogers on your cheeks.
Wait, what did she say?
Don't repeat it, Ellie.
Lasagna cheeks.
Yeah, she
I
said.
said I love you, Caitlyn, but not those boogers on your cheeks.
Well, you know, everything that I say is actually true.
Yeah, that's what I said. And I think
Open! Thank you.
open you big fat pig.
Oh my gosh! Whoever whoever just shut the door after me is gay. Amelia. Amelia, are you gay?
No. No, guys. I was just being friendly.
No,
Gay.
no you weren't.
Let's just play the game. I
Way back.
swear, there's a door here. Oh, here it is.
Not really, there's a door here. Open sesame, blue door.
Open the door. Their lives are greater threat than you think. The mother. Dang it.
Guys, wait, be quiet for a second. I need to talk.
Oh, I need a blue spirit.
My mama be racing to your banana.
Oh boy.
Oh!
I can't see anything.
Is there a maze in this?
Wait, did you guys hear that?
Hey, what?
Savannah or Nana?
Shut up!
I
No,
can't.
I have a good rhyme.
Guys, I
Okay,
can't
ready?
really see anything.
Savannah or Nana? My mama be racing to banana or Nana.
Caitlin, I can't see anything very well. Oh, there you go.
You're
Sorry.
just spinning around in a room.
Oh, I found it!
Not really.
Yeah, that was
What?
me.
How did I miss that? Okay.
There's a blue butterfly.
It's a pretty little Ellie.
My mama be racing to your banana.
Ellie.
Wait, what?
Ellie,
Yeah.
can we stop singing about fruits and can we just like do the game?
Are you sure it's fruit?
She's talking about something else, Amelia. It's not about fruit.
Talking about Drake. Not Drake.
She said Drake, not Jason Derulo.
Shut up.
Jason Derulo.
Okay, maybe
Is
we.
this the one that was potentially pregnant? That's the other
Wilma, forget it.
God,
Why do you have grey hair,
I
Amelia?
just spilt Fanta.
I like your grey hair and glasses.
I spilt Fanta on me.
Wait, you have Fanta?
Mhm.
Give me some. Yeah. Where'd you get that
Yeah.
Fanta?
It's from the fridge.
You better not eat all of it. I'm gonna kill you.
These butterflies seem to be leading me to clues.
Too late. Guys, he's walking.
What are you talking about? Are you talking about that giant statue dude?
Yeah. He's grey. Why is he grey?
Because he's made out of stone, isn't he?
That's the spirit, Amelia. I'm not stoned.
But I'm in the tree.
Would stone be walking, Amelia?
My footsteps on the ground.
My footsteps on the ground.
Oh, ground.
My
Catelyn
footsteps
can't
on your
jump
yacht.
It's like very good. She actually is.
Let's just stop saying that. Can we stop singing about Caitlyn jumping like a fairy, please?
What? I was talking about jumping on someone's.
On someone's what? Okay. Ellie.
My mom be racing to your banana. Oh no no.
Ellie, shut up.
I think my hubby's gonna watch this.
Alright, up the little slope we go.
He's gonna watch the other one.
Pardon?
He said he was gonna watch the other one.
Did he?
Yeah, but he had to go work out.
Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't already and you're a weirdo and you're watching the part 2 without watching part 1, go watch part 1 of this series. You know, the part where we do the first chapter, because this is a storyline. Like, we're mostly just speedrunning this, but this game is actually really good, so you should check it out yourself and actually take your time to look at the storyline instead of just
Guys, make sure to check out TikTok.
It's called the Miyama.
the Mimak.
Yeah, the Miyama. But
Yeah.
the actual name is the Mimic, just so you know.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen it from us talking. Okay, well, Ellie.
Wish I was
Oh my god!
Everything has been a mimic of your reality since the beginning.
Ellie, shut up for your game.
What are you implying? Why are you keeping me here? Object. You're paying for.
Ellie, shut
You're paying for your ancestors.
Ellie, yeah, shut up!
Guys, I saw a white person.
Ellie!
Okay,
Shut
I could
up.
probably find what I'm looking for here.
Oh,
Caitlyn, you just scared the crap out of me. So the captions, they keep cutting it out and making Caitlyn spelt the wrong way. So sorry when you're watching this, Caitlyn, but I'm still changing them. So just gonna suck it up. I think I just... What? Isn't there supposed to be a lady that chases us?
Yeah.
Okay, as I was saying, thank you for the information, Caitlyn. Because if people didn't look at the title of the video, the intro of the game or what we've been talking about, then the...
Sorry, she was chasing me.
Okay.
Amelia, look at the chat.
I'm not opening the chat. I'm close. I'm so sick of you. I'm so sick of both of you. You need to stop right now, Caitlyn. This is not going in the video. Guys, stop. Caitlyn, you need to... Caitlyn, Ellie. Stop. Our neighbors are gonna think that someone's being murdered. Stop, bro. You need to chill out.
I'm scared by it.
Okay, can you close your chat, please, Caitlyn?
Why?
Because if you don't, it's not going into the video.
Fine, like I'll add it.
Ellie, where even are you? Oh. Do you have the blue spirit?
No, I'm waiting.
Oh my god, are you serious? You both need to help me because that's...
I am! I'm in the maze right now.
If I get...
You're in the wrong maze! Caitlyn, we've already completed that maze.
Me.
Yeah, but I can't find the exit. Hey, I'm
Oh my god, stop!
That's what she said in chat.
Ellie doesn't have a...
Stop!
Bro, what maze was
Yeah!
What maze was to be in?
Oh my god, please! I got the butterfly! I can't die, please! Oh my god! Okay, never mind. Sorry about that, guys. I made it.
Bro, what maze am I supposed to do? Yeah.
Caitlin, you're on the wrong side of the map.
Why you bloody bum bum?
What?
Who's recording?
Me and Caitlin.
You're both recording.
Yeah.
Yes. So, can you like stop typing inappropriate things in chat, please? Just trying to make a video.
Who said they were inappropriate?
Dead flashlight. How convenient. I
Dead
suppose
like
I can
Ellie.
use one of these lanterns instead.
Now Ellie's the one that has grey hair. Well, I can't unequip my lantern. I can't unequip my lantern.
Ellie, your outfit's really bad.
Yeah.
We're wearing the same outfit.
Caitlin, wait, Ellie, say so. Caitlin, which one of us has the better outfit? Sorry, it's really bright. Just give me a second.
Caitlin, shut up. You have a.
Shut up, you fat monkey.
I'm
Yeah, be offended. Amelia, I think you might have to curse some things out. Bro!
You still don't get it. Sama! Oh my god.
Can't escape my world, mate. Told you a million times.
Mommy?
Shut up.
Daddy, will you give me a cup of tea?
What?
Would you like a cup of tea, lad? Follow the spirits for guidance to the exit. Oh, almost left
Brother,
a
where are
little
the
too.
spirits? Oh. Brother, Savannah,
Wait, everyone be quiet.
Mama be eating your banana.
Using the map, find a white butterfly.
So I'm gonna take a photo of that.
Nah, we don't need to take a photo.
Speed up.
TikTok, TikTok, TikTok.
Are we gonna speed up this bit? 'Cause it's gonna take us a while.
Yeah, okay, let's just speed it, I guess.
3.
2.
Guys, where'd you go?
Pardon?
Where'd you go?
We're walking down. Come on. Okay, we're gonna speed up in 3, 2, 1, and now.
Bro, get your crusty grey hairs out of my face.
Do you guys even know where we're going?
No.
Guys, look!
What?
Guys, look!
What? What?
Guys, look!
What is it?
Guys, look!
What?
Guys, more maze.
Pardon?
More maze.
Not really.
Guys, look!
What?
Ellie, can
Oh
you...
my god, what is that?
This is nothing. Anyway, let's go.
Wait, which way do we go to get into the maze? Because this always confuses me. I think that goes back to the start. Oh, what the... Ow. It just flicked in my eye.
That side is
Imagine. I'm your bestie, your shirt says so.
No, it doesn't.
Shut up, Ellie. You fatty, no one cares about you.
You're the one who... Okay, you can't talk.
Why? But I am talking.
It is like really lice in there.
I am talking, genius.
I can smell your boogies from here.
But I don't even have any.
Yeah, you have what?
So do you.
Do you wanna be? Do you wanna love
Just
me?
like how you have a big.
Oh my goodness. Can you guys please stop?
And then you go, and once you're done, you like.
Sit.
Get me away from you guys. Okay, we're speeding up the video again now.
I'm only insulting her because she's insulting me.
Okay. We
Do
get it.
you wanna feel like a plastic bit?
Guys,
What?
how about we Oh, there you are. Oh my god, why is that screen zooming out?
Laugh! You fatty! Your laugh is ugly, your existence is ugly, you look ugly. Like, you
Okay.
This is why your parents left you to rot in this maze, because that's where you were born from. This still is.
Is that a person?
Huh?
Oh, Ellie. Sorry.
Bro, we're never gonna complete this.
Maybe.
It's so hard.
We should just skip to chapter 3.
Guys, well,
No.
about my like beautiful hobby.
Pardon?
Can I talk about my hobby while we're playing this?
I don't... Well, I mean, last time we...
Oh, we don't talk about that because we're gonna watch this video.
Okay.
Maybe just blur that.
Okay. It's fine. We're sped up at the moment anyway, so...
Okay, well, you're gonna have to stop talking. Okay, so
After this, do we complete it?
Alright, Ellie, Caitlin, we're gonna do a vote. Come on. Do you
Maybe
guys?
in a room.
Oh, yeah, okay, sure. Okay.
Around the table.
Alright, do you guys want to skip to chapter 3? Or do you want to continue our suffering?
Suffering.
what's up?
I say that we skip, and skip chapter 2.
Suffering.
What?
Ellie?
What is suffering?
Suffering. It means staying here.
Oh, I think that we should leave the mimic and maybe give the viewers some other games.
Alright. So, what do you say, guys?
Bro, Ellie, get your me.
I don't want to.
I think we should.
I don't want to
different
be
game.
here no more.
I think we should play a different game. Bye bye.
Guys, you should not hear that.
Bag it up, bro. Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.